Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another YouTube video. This is Rashida and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys what's in my bag. These videos are so timeless and evergreen and I love binge watching these what's in my bag videos. So I wanted one video for my channel as well. So if you're interested to know what's in my bag, stick till the end of this video. And yeah, without any further ado, let's just get started with this video. Okay, so the bag that I use the most is this is a shoulder bag from Miraggio, and my best friend gifted this to me on my 20th birthday this year, and ever since then I'm just obsessed with this bag. I love how this bag is such a statement piece and it goes with every outfit that I wear, be it like a dress or like a casual outfit. It goes with everything, and it also comes with a crossbody strap so you can wear it as a sling bag also. But the best part also is that it fits a lot of stuff, and yeah, I have a lot of stuff to share with you guys, so let's just quickly move on to it. The first thing that comes out of my bag every time is my charger. I can't do without my charger. I take my charger every single where I go, and I don't own a power bank as of now, so I need a charger with me at all times, because who doesn't need a charger? Second thing that I have is my wallet. It depends. I don't carry my wallet everywhere I go, but if I need to like carry cash or something, so I always like carry my wallet. Third thing that I carry is makeup. Now by makeup I don't mean like my entire makeup kit. I just carry the lipstick and blush that I'm wearing on that day. So I carry like 2 glosses with me and a blush, but I always carry like the lipsticks or the glosses or the blush that I'm wearing that day, for like touch up and stuff. Next up I have my shades, sunglasses. Since it's summer, I need to like have these in my bag, and most of the times it's not even there in my bag. It's any which ways it's a bag essential. Next I have my claw clip and rubber band. I again can't do without these. I keep on losing my hair ties a lot, and I also keep my hair open a lot of times, so just in case I always like need my claw clip and my hair tie. Next up I have is a comb. I need a comb at all times, of course, to like touch up again, and this is a very unaesthetic comb, I know, but this is the only tiny comb that I have, so yeah, I carry a comb with me every time. Oh my god, this thing is so important. I can't live without these. I'm telling you, I literally can't live without these. These are my earphones. I can't leave my house without these. These are just everything to me, and very essential. SPF so important. Again, I don't carry my sunscreen bottle because again it's just if I have makeup on, I don't want the hassle to remove my makeup and then apply the sunscreen and then again apply makeup. So this stick really comes in handy, and this one is by Dot & Key. It is their sunscreen stick. It works pretty fine, and yeah, I really need to carry SPF also. House keys. Again, this is also very like optional. Sometimes I don't carry, sometimes I do carry, but yeah, again, house keys is also important. Lip balm, very essential. Can't do without lip balm. By the way, this is the Hyphens vitamin infused peptide lip balm, one of my favorites. Next I have is a small mirror. Again, if I want to like touch up or something, or a mirror just comes in handy like every time, so I always like keep a small pocket mirror with me just in case. I've said this for every product up till now, that it's like super essential, super important. This thing literally comes at the top of my essential items in my bag, and it is medicines. Can't do without medicines. Even though I might not be sick or something, but I have this habit of like carrying medicines everywhere I go. So if I'm stepping out for the and I know that I won't be back home for the entire day, I'll just keep medicines with me, just in case. So you'll find these medicines in each and every bag of mine. Next I have is this sanitizer. Again, I'm just you might need it, you never know. Then I carry a mini pocket size perfume to like smell good and like feel refreshed throughout the day. So again, perfume comes in handy. Then I carry this salt and lemon candy, a candy which tastes exactly like a lemonade. So I just like to carry it, and it makes you feel like refreshed, and if you're feeling like nauseous or something, it helps with that also. So I carry this also. The last thing that I have is again more candies. I don't know what obsession do I have, but I just have like candies and just in case. So to make this video a little more interesting, I'll answer a few questions related to what's in my bag. I've seen so many of these questions that are asked to like celebrities, so I'll answer a few of those. So the first question is 3 things from your bag that you can't live without. Oh, this is a tricky one, but if I had to say, so phone is not considered because of course phone is always in my hand, so I'm not considering my phone. But I would say my medicine, my lip balm, my keys, because if I have my keys, I'll need them. So I think these 3 things I won't be able to do without. The other question is one unnecessary item in your bag. All of the things that I carry are like pretty necessary, and I don't like overstuff my bag. But if I had to choose unnecessary, I think it would be my pocket mirror, because I can always use my phone's camera to like check and like retouch my makeup or whatever. So yeah, I think this is one unnecessary thing that I carry. The third question is, if your bag had to describe you, how would it be? I would say that I am very organized, and all of these things are like pretty accessible, so I don't have to go to places, to search for these things. So I have everything I need in my bag. So I'd say organized and like accessible. So yeah. Are you someone who has a bag fetish? Yes, I love bags, and I recently just started loving bags a lot, and every now and then I just get this thought to shop for like more bags and like make a big bag collection. So yeah, I've lately been really obsessed with like collecting bags. One person you would like to exchange your bag with? I think it would be my mom, because both of us are really similar in the way that we are really organized, and both of us carry the same things almost. So even if I like exchange my bag with her, I know for a fact that I'll have everything that I want. So I think my mom is like the best person I can like exchange my bags with. So that is it for the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So yeah, with that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and comment down below your video suggestions. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye.